Hello from Paralimni Beach in Cyprus. Yep, this is how the beach looks like on an early morning at 10:30 a.m. and you see there is nobody right now on the beach. And yes, this is actually my second beach adventure of the day. Earlier I visited the UN buffer zone over there. That's only 500 meters away from here, and I took a swim there on the wild beach. And yes, this is the closest official beach. It's called Paralimni, and we're gonna check it out how it is. Today is 2nd of September and 29 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna take a swim right now. It looks amazing. And there are some establishments or settlements on the beach made by the local people over here. And the entrance of the beach is sandy with some rocks that starts right now. And you see the whole beach also from here. And yes, I am telling you interesting facts about Cyprus in all of my Cyprus episodes. So earlier I visited the UN buffer zone, and in regards to that, I can just name now that Cyprus is actually celebrating Independence Day on 1st of October every year, and the Republic of Cyprus became independent in 1960. Where it became like Republic of Cyprus from the British Empire, and there was a treaty signed in London between Cyprus, Greece, Turkey, and United Kingdom at that time. So that's a fact. And yes, I visited earlier the UN buffer zone over there that divides the Republic of Cyprus with North Cyprus. Divided between the Greeks and the Turks. And yes, so it's only sand on this beach, Paralimni, at the beginning. After that it is stones basically. So see how the water looks like. Quite nice. Alright, it's time to dive in and enjoy this beautiful sunny day here in Cyprus. Let's go! Fantastic, fantastic. This is the last day of my vacation. Tomorrow I'm leaving. But I'm leaving late in the evening, so it's gonna be a full day of adventures over here. And yes, today I have basically walked from Protaras to the UN buffer zone, around 6 kilometers. And now I'm gonna go all the way back to Protaras, but along the coast, and explore all the different beaches. And this is the second for today. So check out also the UN buffer zone secluded beach video. And yep, I'm gonna enjoy a bit more on the beach, because if you wanna get peace and quiet and from the fig tree or Nisi beach or the other crowded beaches in Protaras and Ayanapa, you can come here and enjoy the peace and quiet. It's not as beautiful inside the water as the beaches I named earlier, but it is still the same Mediterranean Sea, right? Cool, that's a wrap. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe to get updates on my new videos about Cyprus and the rest of the world on my beach adventures, because this is my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!